Hi guys, my name is Alexander. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I'll teach you how to play accordion and improve your skills from beginners to more advanced level. Please like, subscribe and share videos to help my channel grow. Let's start. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to talk about three different articulations: staccato, legato and tenuto. These are three basic articulations for a beginner. You might ask why Italian words? Well, it's because back in time when signs, names and music terms were given, Italians were the one doing it. Let's find out what these terms stand for. Staccato means short. It's marked with a dot above or below the note. It's giving us information that composer wanted us to play short note in that specific moment. How short, you might ask? Well, it depends. It depends on the style of music, speed, character, our technical potential, or the instrument we're playing. We're going to talk about staccato in general. To play staccato, you have to press a key quickly and release it quickly as well. There are a couple ways to play staccato. You can do it with your fingers only, or with your entire hand. Legato means tied. Another term is slur. It's marked with a line connecting first and the last note of the series. The point of legato is to make music flow to be without any stops. It's usually used in slow melodical parts and it's making music more expressive. To play a melody legato, you have to press next key before you release the previous one. Tenuto means held. It's marked with a line above or below the note. It basically means we should play notes to their full extent. It's almost the same as legato, except it has to have a stops between the notes. Let's say we play 4 notes and each note we count 1, 2, 3, 4. Tenuto would sound something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So your fingers have to be really fast between the notes and your hand to be calm. I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions, comment in section down below. See you next time.